So we have an excellent med spa and injectable type offerings here at our practice and West River Surgery Center as well. And this can sometimes be me performing some of these services, but frequently some of our nurse practitioners as well. And we offer the entire gamut of injectable fillers, things like Restylane, Juvederm, Sculptra, other types of fillers, as well as Botox or Dysport or neurotoxins that can help weaken and help with wrinkles by having the muscular component weakened to some extent. We also have biologics that we're able to obtain from you, such as PRP, Platelet-Rich Plasma, fat grafting. Some of these you can be awake for. Some of them you can have just very light sedation or nitrous oxide or laughing gas. And then we also have lasers available part and parcel with the injectables and the neurotoxins. We also have some significant experience with skincare lines and recommendations with regard to that. So feel free to discuss some of these things with us. So we're happy to get you into these clinics with our nurse practitioners just as soon as you and we are available. So thanks for listening. If you have any other questions, please check us out on our website, www.dereksteinbacher.com. Thanks again.